Hey everyone, Jordan with Premier Auto Lounge, back with a sweet spec in front of us. You guys know us for mostly doing German cars, but we do have something special here in front of us today. This is a 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS in a 6-speed manual transmission. It's a beautiful red over black Recaro seats, black leather interior with massive rotors on the front and the back, massive brake pads, and this one truly is incredible. It's a 2-owner, no accident, as clean as it comes, nice Flowmaster exhaust. And coming with this car, we have 2 other wings that come with the vehicle that was traded in, and 2 extra spare wheels, all black, same wheels. We have that coming with the car as well. And as we do our walk around, I would love to show off the beautiful features of this vehicle. This is a soft top convertible and only has 17,000 original miles. This is a Florida car. It is red over black interior. This has a 6.2 liter V8, 455 horsepower, 455 foot-pound of torque, and this is quite an incredible spec. And you can even put the top down with the key. So this truly is an incredible car, and I'm really looking forward to showing it off. So this was a local Clearwater vehicle. This is a 2020 Camaro SS manual transmission with rev match, and service has been recently done. Tires, brakes, rotors, it needs nothing. This car is near brand new. Got a little dirty from sitting outside overnight, but besides that, this car is super clean inside and out and will be fully detailed after this video. So as we make our way into the interior, it does have keyless entry. Push the button there and shows off the beautiful suede and leather Recaro seats with a 6-speed manual transmission with rev match. This also comes with the rear sunshade, or the rear windscreen. And the back seats have actually never been sat in. This came in from a middle-aged couple here in the States. The top is perfect. There's no rips, tears, or separation from the glass. Massive quad Flowmaster exhaust, and this thing sounds unbelievable. As I mentioned, we do have 2 wings that's coming with it, another black one and the red OEM one. And we do have 2 spare wheels with the car as well, also black. So this one does have CarPlay, Android Auto, beautiful sound system as well, and just sounds incredible. The exhaust note is unbelievable. The top goes down in about 15 to 20 seconds, and you can go up to 10 miles an hour as well while putting the top down. This car is still under factory warranty. It's only 17,100 miles. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So as I mentioned, this does have a 6-speed manual transmission. You can change your drive modes here. This is going to be your AC to make hotter or colder, and this is going to be your fan speed as well for both sides. So again, this has 17,093 miles, probably have 17,100 as we do drive our cars a little bit here and there. And this is a soft top convertible. To put the convertible down, you're just going to go ahead and hold this button. And what I like about the soft top is it's very quick to go up and down, but when the top is down, the sound on this exhaust are absolutely incredible. You hear it right above your head. And the Recaro seats are a really nice touch as well. So when the beeping goes off, the top is done, folding motion is complete, and you have all your sound controls here. Great sound system, very simplistic and easy car to drive. Clutch is a little heavy as it is on most American cars. You go ahead and put that in here for reverse, and it shows your backup camera. To go ahead and put it in sport, or track per se, go ahead and give it a little rev. This car sounds great, especially at the higher RPMs. So here you can see the car with the top down. Back seats are nearly untouched. I want to thank you for watching today's video. My name is Jordan with Premier Auto Lounge, where we always bring you the best specs. Our vehicles are always clean, Florida vehicles or other states with no snow, and we love showing off our incredible specs as well. You can find us on all social platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Google My Business, and Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. All right guys, hopping in the Chevy Camaro 2020. This is a manual transmission, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a quick drive. Turn off the parking brake. I'll put it into sport. Here we go. So when you get up into the high RPMs, the exhaust sounds incredible on this car.